Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an Empire Alchemy order. This is my first time ordering from this company and I was super excited by her blends. Well, it says the owners are Anna and Chris, but I have a feeling that Anna is the one that does like the mixing and the pouring of the wax. So I'm just going to say her, refer to her when I speak of like the blends. So when I got this, well, actually, let me talk about the ready to ship order that she had. So she had things offered in bags and cups. And so I had made a list and I liked that she had both the scent shots and the bags, so that way you could choose. Like, if I thought I was going to like a scent better, I would just get it in a bag. And if I thought I was just going to try it, I was going to grab it in a scent shot cup. So one thing I want to say is I did grab a variety, like things that weren't necessarily that I thought, oh, those are going to be like my favorites. But I wanted to try, like, I feel like when you're trying a new company, it's good to try some different scents that maybe you wouldn't normally try. Like something in here that I ordered that I didn't think I was going to be like super like in love with, I actually really like. So I'm glad that I stepped out of my comfort zone. So anyways, okay, shipping was super fast, and she also wrote a handwritten note on the back that says, "Thank you for your first order, Kimberly. Hope you find a favorite," and I certainly did. And okay, now everything was wrapped up really cute, but I totally thrashed everything. But it was wrapped up in this sweet little bag, but I totally like ripped into it, and then it has some paper around it. It was just really cute. So yeah, there are samples, but I'm gonna get to those when I dig down into the bag a little bit. All right, so the first thing I grabbed is this Mint Menagerie, and this is Perseus, rosemary, garden greens, and fresh mint. Now I haven't studied up on my Greek mythology in a while, so I'm not sure what Perseus is. No, Perseus. Perseus? Oh man, I forget how to pronounce it. Okay, anyways, whatever. I did screenshot the scent description though, because she does have, so it's seagrass, soft musk, watery floral, mint, tarragon, lavender, and sandalwood. So this is one that I just kind of grabbed because it had rosemary and mint in it, and I like the mint scent. And it's super cute on the top. Sparkles. So this one is definitely, let's see, I smell greenery in here for sure. This is a very unique scent. This is not anything that I have smelled before. It definitely, maybe the Perseus has like a lot of stuff going on in there, so I don't really know what I'm smelling, but it's not overly minty. Kind of green. It does kind of dominate on the green a little bit. This is one that I'm going to have to warm up and get back to, but really what I wanted to see with this vendor is just how the throw was, and just to see, you know, how I liked it warming and whatnot. So that's the first one that I grabbed. And then the next one I grabbed was a birthday loop, and this is House Blend Churros, birthday cake, cotton candy, sugar cookie dough. Now, churros is a new scent to me, so I was like, you know what, that has churros in it, let me try it. I don't have a lot of knowledge of like the churro scent in general. I will say she has some really unique blends. Everything I smelled, I was like, you know, this kind of, and it kind of reminds me of Two Timing Tart a little bit, like the unique blends that she had. So this one definitely has that birthday cake scent to me. But I almost like it, because I'm thinking of birthday cake and I'm thinking of like Jackie O specifically, and I'm kind of getting that VCS like Jackie O type scent. And I was kind of thinking that the churros would be maybe like a warm, spicy, like cinnamony type thing. I'm not really getting that in here. To me, it's more of like a super sweet scent. I don't know. This one's going to have to warm up too, but mostly I feel like this would be like a good blender just because it's so sweet. But I don't smell the churros in there, so I'm curious if anyone else got that and you're watching this. Do you smell churros? And what does churros smell like if you've smelled it before? Because I haven't had it in wax, I don't think. So this one, I had to get this one because we've actually been to the Rose Parade. If you guys don't know, I grew up in Southern California, and one of the things we would do, well, we did it for a couple of years. We went to the Rose Parade. We'd go camp out in our motorhome that my parents had at the time, and we would sit out on the street like you did, but like the night before, you'd have to save your spot, and then we were front row to the Rose Parade, which is pretty sweet. I actually have a picture somewhere. One of the Rose Parades that we went to, my husband and I were in a fight, and you can see me sitting in the chair with my daughter in the front row, and then he's like a couple rows back, and you can tell we're both like super pissed. And it's kind of a funny picture because, like, you know, the Rose Parade is like this beautiful like parade and all these happy things happening. Anyways, okay, long story, Rose Parade. So I had to grab this one, even though I don't necessarily love like roses, but anyways, fresh roses, avocado sea salt, and a hint of orange sherbet. See, now she spells it, oh wait, no. So I wonder if Californians say sherbet, or I know a lot of people say sherbet, or what the hell do y'all say? I always say sherbet, so. Yeah, so this one to me is definitely roses. I do kind of pick up a little bit of the avocado sea salt. And maybe a bit of orange. I don't know. This one might, you never know. Like that one might just evolve when it warms up. Okay, this next one is Kitten Puffs, which I think is a totally cute name. This is lemon curd, cream puffs, vanilla wafers, and a hint of jasmine. I was just like, I pretty much love lemon curd, so I was like, you really can't go wrong with that. And we got this cute glitter going on. And this one is definitely lemon curd and bakery. Do I smell jasmine? I don't know. I don't know, it smells pretty though. It's a very pretty lemon curd scent. Bakery, for sure. Okay, this next one is the one, yeah, this is the one that I wasn't sure that I was gonna like, and I totally love it. This is White Flamingo. This is Orange Blossoms, Vanilla Bubbles, Vanilla Ice Cream, and Mimosas. Now, Orange Blossoms, technically, I've had like in Lush products before, and I was like, no, I do not like the smell of orange blossoms, but this one is really good. It is, yeah, it's good. And I think it might be the Orange Blossom, like the perfume from, I don't know, I don't follow perfumes very much, so to be honest, I don't know. But this is very like citrusy, but it's also really sweet with the vanilla ice cream and the vanilla bubbles, but it's mostly on the citrus side, to me anyways. And it just smells really good. It's almost like an orange creamsicle, but different. Like not as, like it wouldn't be a straight orange creamsicle, but like that's what comes to mind when I think of that. Okay, and then I grabbed Bo Peep, which is Cotton Sheets, Lavender Fields, Lavender and Chamomile Tea. And that's the inside. Oh, and this one is a winner for me. I've been kind of iffy on lavender scents lately, but this one smells really pretty. This is one that I wish I had grabbed in a bag. I think one of these, oh yeah, one of these I was going to grab in a Scent Shot cup, and I accidentally grabbed in a bag because it had gone out of stock. So glad I did because I actually really love it. Oh, this one smells so pretty. It's not clean cotton. It's definitely like that, maybe more of like that flannel sheet scent, or it's just cotton sheets. But it's not overly clean cotton to me. I just smell a really sweet, like cotton, not clean cotton, but close to clean cotton. I smell a little bit of the lavender. Chamomile tea, I don't know about, but that one's good. I like that. So there is that. Okay, the next thing I grabbed, I was super excited about this one. I was like, this sounds like right up my freaking alley. This is Friday Milk Tea, and this is lavender, sweet peppermint, marshmallow, and creamy green tea. I kind of wish I'd gotten like 2 bags of this, but super cute hearts. The day my package came, it was like 60 something here, which is like unheard of right now. It's like gonna be 40 tomorrow, and it's like 67 today, so crazy. So that's why my bags look kind of smushy. Oh, but this is just a great peppermint and marshmallow. I don't know if I smell the lavender. I have such a hard time picking up lavender because I'm just not used to it anymore. Like my nose kind of like blanked it out after I had too much of it like a year ago. And I do get a little bit of the green tea. Green tea is like, not many people use green tea very much. I had a green tea grapefruit from Two Timing Tart. That's why I kind of think of Two Timing Tart when I think of this company, because she had a really great grapefruit green tea. That's kind of what this is reminding me of with the green tea. But it's just a great peppermint, sweet peppermint, and like a creamy peppermint with the lavender and the green tea. This one's really good. I can't wait to get this in a warmer and get it rolling. So I knew I wanted that one in the back. This is the one that I love. Well, I love the other ones too, but I love this one. But I was going to get it in a scent shot and it wasn't available. So I had to get it in the bag. And I was like, I really wanted to try this one. This is Paper Plains. It's Icy Wind, Icicles, Rosemary, Vintage Tea, Laundry, Eucalyptus Mist. There's a lot going on in here. This one is so good though. Oh, this one is like, this is laundry. This is laundry heaven right here. This is like, it's like laundry, but it's got so many other things going on in here that it's like, so the Icy Wind, you get like the scent of, and the icicles, like you get the scent of like a coolness. You smell, it's not peppermint. I guess it's the eucalyptus is kind of clearing my nose, but it's kind of got that same peppermint kind of thing going on, but it's not peppermint. Oh, this one smells great. It's laundry, and then it's eucalyptus, and yeah. Oh, okay, I'm gonna stop smelling that one because you guys are probably tired of me hearing like huff back here. All right, let's zoom in here. Okay, why are we crooked? Love that. Dang it. Okay. So then I got 3 samples. I'm not going to spend too much time on them, but she is, if you're watching her page, she's pouring for her pre-orders. Damn, I wish I'd gotten in on those, but whatever. She's having another ready to ship on March 21st, but yeah, March 21st. Seashells, driftwood, lemon, sea salt, and vetiver in this skull shape. And that's like I mean, I smell lemon in this one. It's like a bright lemon, but it's also kind of musky, manly. So that's that one. I'm not going to talk about those too much because they're samples. And then I got Smolder, which is pipe tobacco, vanilla, and leather caramel. Caramel, however you want to say it. Oh, that one smells good. I'm not the biggest fan of leather. It has to be done like just right. But I feel like the caramel could kind of like tone that down and bring it down a notch for me. You can smell the tobacco in there as well. But it might be one of those that I get in the thing and I'm like, whoa. This is Surf Shack. This is lime, coconut, taffy, and pineapple. Sorry about the crinkling. Oh, that one smells good. That one is a very coconut. You definitely get the lime and the pineapple. This is very fruity, summery. This actually smells pretty good. This is not one that I would like have picked out myself. Oh, that's like summer, really. It's different though. It's not, you know, like it's different because of the, it's just different. It's good. I like it. Okay. I don't know where I was going with that. I hadn't like smelled the samples before, so sorry if that wasn't like too in depth. But anyways, okay. So yeah, so far I'm impressed with like the originality of like the blends. Everything smells good. I was trying to say something. I was trying to think of what I was trying to say, but I don't really know. This daylight savings time thing has me all screwed up. But I'm super impressed. Her shipping was fast. I felt like the order went really well. Like things sold out pretty fast. I think she's a smaller company, but I think she's gaining in popularity. So you do have to be kind of quick on the order. Yeah, like I said, one of the things sold out, and so I went back and it was paper planes, and I grabbed it in a bag, and I'm so glad I did because it smells amazing. So I can't wait to see what else she comes out with. She seems like she has a knack for like blending unique blends up, so that gets me excited because, you know, I love it when, you know, like I like the basic vendors that have just like the basic scents, but I also get really excited when like people kind of get risky with like their, it sounds risky, like we're getting herpes or something, but like when people take risks like with scent blends. So yeah, and yeah, I think that's it. Okay, I'm all over the place. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, I would definitely recommend trying her out if you get a chance. I said previously I wasn't going to be trying new vendors, and then I've kind of been trying some new vendors, and I'm not mad about it. So yeah. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video, and thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye guys.